What's up, guys? This is Frank with Avalon Auto. Here I've got a 2012 Toyota Prius 5. This one's got 88,000 miles on it. It's a beautiful white color. Just doing a quick little walk around video for an out-of-state customer. All right, as you can see, there's no big dents or scratches on the vehicle. This Prius comes equipped with the fancy headlights, the 5 headlights. As you can see, it's also got some fog lights, 2 sets. So this one comes with actual wheels. A lot of these Priuses come with the hubcaps. See, there's some light curb rashing on the front wheel right there. Tires are in good shape. This rear wheel looks a lot cleaner. Little tiny bits in the back right there. See, no real scratches on here. It is wet, I did just wash it. Spoiler has that classic Prius fade on it. Looks good. There's no dents or anything, but it is a little faded. So this rear tire's got a little bit more curb rashing than the rest of them. It's hard to tell. You can't really see it from far away, but it is there, so I do want to make note of it. A little close up, sorry. And this front one has also got some curb rashing on it as well, kind of similar to this back one. It is more common to have it on the passenger side more than the driver's side, just because it is that one side that you don't really see very much. So you can see it's super clean. I'll show you the interior. It does have this little scratch right here. It's kind of hard to tell. I didn't see it until I pointed the camera down. Clean interior. It's got leather seats. It's got this little bit of staining right here on the back seat. It's kind of hard to tell, but it is there. It's got floor mats, which is good. Not all of these do. Cup holders. It's like this little stain right there. The trunk. See, the rear struts work perfectly. Carpet, it's got a little bit of staining right there too. It's got this little cubby right here with a spare tire. Looks like it's got everything there. All the jacks, it's got some sort of sound deadening in it too, which is really nice. Walk around the other side. All right, this door panel is also in great shape. Leather seats, no tears or scratches. We'll do this front as well. Passenger door looks good. There is a little bit of fading on this front carpet, as you can see right there. Front seat looks clean. Nice dash, no cracks or stickiness. All right, let me start it up. I got one key for this one. Past Georgia emissions. Not sure if your state has Georgia emissions or not. And these spots you see on there are just wet from me getting in and out of it. You can see I just washed it. This one does come equipped with the JBL audio. And it is push to start, as most Priuses are. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. This one does have the EV Eco and Power mode, just like all Priuses do. This generation anyways. This one also has navigation and a backup camera. So it's got 88,554 miles. So everything works as it should. I'm gonna turn on the headlights. Cup holder. Nice deep center console. It's got front heated seats. I'm gonna pop the hood for you as well. It's gonna be kind of hard to see in this light. You can see the fog lights are on, the headlights are on. I think those bottom ones are daytime running lights. It's kind of bright. So you can see super clean engine bay. It's got a roll bar here. It's just to give it some chassis stiffening, just so it handles a little bit better. See, super clean engine. If you have any other questions or concerns, or want to see something that I didn't go over very well in the video, please let me know. It's also got the memory garage doors, which is nice. All windows are automatic. All right, and this has been Frank with Avalon Auto. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or feel like checking vehicle availability, please feel free to check out our website, avalonautoatlanta.com, or give us a call at 470-585-0474. Thank you very much.